Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm back with another evening snack recipe, that is beetroot cutlet. These are very delicious and easy to make. So let's begin with the recipe. You will need 2 medium or small size beetroots. These are uncooked. Wash them well and peel the outer skin. Now grate them finely and transfer it to a cup. These are approximately 1.5 cups. You will also need 1 large potato. Transfer it to a pressure cooker, add some water and cook it for 4 to 5 whistles. To another pan, add some oil. Add 6 to 8 cashew nuts, finely chopped. Just saute it for a minute and transfer it to a plate. To the same pan, add 1/4 teaspoon of fennel seeds, 1 inch of ginger and 1 green chili finely chopped. Saute. Add in the grated raw beetroot. Mix well. Add some salt to taste. Add 2 tablespoons of water to cook. Cover this with the lid and let it cook for about 10 to 12 minutes or until it turns soft. Once it's slightly soft and cooked, add the cooked and mashed potato. Mix well to combine. Now it's time to add the spice powders. Half teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder and coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin and garam masala and 1/8 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix the spices well. Add some water and cook it for about 2 minutes. The mixture turns slightly moist. Now add the chopped and roasted cashew nuts to it. Two tablespoons of coriander leaves. 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs, salt to taste, amchur or dry mango powder. You can also add some lemon juice. Switch off the flame and combine everything. Mash it slightly and allow it to cool. It should form a ball easily. Now shape it in. If the mixture looks slightly moist, you can add some more breadcrumbs. Now give the cutlets the required shape. I have given heart shape using a mold here. Shape all the cutlets and keep it ready. You can also store these shaped cutlets in a refrigerator and fry whenever required. Now to another bowl, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of corn flour or maida. Add some crushed black pepper, about 1/8 teaspoon. Some salt to taste. Add some water and form a slurry. Make sure there are no lumps. Dip the cutlets into the cornflour slurry and coat it with the breadcrumbs. Repeat the same for all the cutlets. To a pan, just add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil and drop in the cutlets. Leave it undisturbed for about 2 minutes. Then gently flip it. Fry the cutlets on all sides on low flame until they change color and turn crispy on the outside. Be gentle, do not break them. Now it's ready to serve. Serve these beetroot cutlets hot with some peanut or mint chutney or as it is. The cutlets turn crispy on the outer side and are soft from inside. You can serve this as a starter recipe or as an evening snack. If you enjoyed watching these videos, do subscribe to my channel and keep watching home food recipes Jovita Noronha. Thanks for watching.